Hello everyone, I'm Shreyas, URK 17 CS 244, studying second year BTech Computer Science in Carnegie University. Today we're going to see about virtual networks. Okay, so there are two types of virtual networks. One is inter-LAN and one is intra-LAN. Okay, so this is the topology of intra-LAN network. So what is special about the virtual network is that there's no routers used here. Okay, so the PCs are connected to the switch and switch to switch connection. There's no routers in between. Okay, so there are two kinds of modes by which we can connect this topology. That is, the connection between two switches comes under the trunk mode. The connection between, like the connection within a switch, that is switch to a PC, comes under access mode. Okay, so to start about, we assign IP addresses for all the 6 PCs. It's already given. It's 192.168.10.1. Similarly, it's given for all the 6 PCs. So there's no default gateway here because there's no routers. So we'll have to configure the switch. So go to CLI mode of the switch, config mode, and type in the command VLAN 10. That is for the first PC. It is VLAN 10, and we'll have to give name, any name. Here it's student, so I give student, exit. So that's similarly we'll have to do for all the 6 PCs using the same commands, that is VLAN, the number, and the name. Okay, so after doing it, we'll have to use the command int FA. The network connecting the first PC is FA0/1. Therefore we give FA0/1, and we give switch port mode access. So as I said before, switch to PC is always access, so I give access in here, and then switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, so that's another command, and give exit. So that network is also in the, now that entire PC is in the network now. Similarly, we'll have to do it for all the remaining PCs using the same commands. Okay, now in order to connect the switch to switch, you'll have to give the trunk mode. So we'll have to go again int FA3/1, because it is 3/1 over there, and the trunk mode is, after giving it, switch port mode, change it to trunk, so it's trunk now, and the another keyword is switch port trunk allowed VLAN 10, 20, 30. We exit. So now it's established. Similarly, we'll have to do it for this switch as well. Now let's try sending packets. It is successful initially. Some network issue. Let's try pinging it. So ping 192. 168.10.2. So it is pinging, so the packets are successfully sent. So that's all about intra-LAN. Now when we try pinging this PC to this PC, it will not work, because in intra-LAN we could only connect student to student, or faculty to faculty, or HOD to HOD. So to overcome this, we make use of the inter-LAN network. Let's have a look at the inter-LAN network now. Okay, so the inter-LAN network is something like this. Okay, here we make use of the router and a switch. Okay, so the switch is connected in between the other two switches, and this switch is connected to a router. Okay, so the connections are as same, like we give IP addresses for all the PCs. It is exactly the same. Now we'll have to configure the router. To configure the router, we go into the router, go to config mode. We'll have to give int fa 0/0.10. Oh, actually we're not in the config mode, and now we are in the config mode. We'll have to give int fa 0/0.10. So, and we'll have to give encapsulation .1q 10, and then we'll have to give the IP address IP address 192.168.10.5, and we'll have to give the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. okay, and we exit. So we've configured this router, to this PC. Similarly, we'll have to do it for all the remaining PCs as well. The connection between these two switches are in trunk mode, and this switch to this router is also in trunk mode. Okay, so ping it. So it's pinging. There's some technical error in here. We faced this the previous network as well. So that's how the connections are to be made, and yeah, that's all about the virtual network. Thank you.